Here it is. This is what we are working with. Less than $20, guys. Hey guys, this is new, right? I've been feeling really inspired lately to switch things up and to try something new and to really tap into my full creative potential. So I'm gonna head to the thrift store because I really want to create either a dope Halloween costume or recreate an Emmys look from this year or something of that nature. So let's just go and see what they have and see what comes to mind, and we will go from there. Let's go. Oh look, a Spirit Halloween store is up. Yay. Oh wait, so I thought that dress was gonna be perfect, but I just found this graduation gown and it's the perfect color. And I think it's gonna be the perfect length. So, oh, and it's cheaper. This is only $12.99. So I think I'm gonna go with this. Okay, I came to the 99-cent store to find some embellishments for the dress. But that graduation gown, I think is gonna be perfect. So I'm thinking these little craft rhinestones will do the job. I'm not sure, but this is a budget project, so I think we gonna make it work. I just got a few different packs in different sizes. So I'll see which ones end up working out, but the bigger ones are probably gonna be better. Okay. Got the goods. So now I'm so excited to go home and put this stuff together and see how I'm gonna make it all work. They took over the world. Repugnant. Okay, let's do it. Here is the graduation gown I found at the Goodwill yesterday, and again, it was only $12.99. What? Here it is. This is what we are working with, twerking with. So I put it on backwards because I want the zipper to be in the back. I don't want it to obstruct the front. I'm using this clip to mark. I'm using this clip to mark the spot where I want to cut the front because it is kind of like a high-low. I clipped right there. That's where I'm going to trim the bottom, and then I'm just going to cut right across the top here. So first I'm just flipping this inside out, and I'm going to do all the cutting and pinning, and then we will head to the station. Oh. Excuse me. This guy. Cut the top first. Oh my gosh. This is what happens when you're not careful. I freaking just cut through the zipper and my life is over. Holy! Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I just did that. How can I fix this? Oh my gosh. Okay. I just ruined the zipper. I just cut right through the zipper. I don't know what I was freaking thinking. We're off to a great start here, right? It's fine. It is freaking fine. Okay. You have to have a lot of patience to work on projects like this, let me tell you. A lot of patience. Now I'm just gonna put it on and see what we're working with. I'm gonna have to put a new zipper in, at least at the top, because this is not gonna work once I add all the embellishments and everything. I'm not gonna be able to put this bag on. This is what we're looking like so far. So what I'm gonna do with these parts that poke out, I'm just going to attach some kind of belt tie type situation to each of these sides, so I can pull them back like this and make the dress fit, if that makes sense. I'm also gonna take this piece of fabric that I cut off and create that little shoulder thing. Just use your imagination. It's coming together. You see, it's looking like a dress. It's looking like a dress, right? Okay, I'm gonna cut these sleeves off really quick so I can create some kind of waistband tie belt thing out of this portion. Okay, so we'll save the sleeves for later. Now let's just try to finesse this. Alright, so I'm just going to use these two pieces, these two strips as the side ties. This is what we're looking like so far. Now we can get to the fun stuff. By the way, the back isn't done completely because I'm going to have to just make this some kind of lace up back, or maybe even just like an open back. Honestly, I might do that. Let me work on creating the puff. We've got the sleeves here. Okay, so I also have this wire hanger, and I'm going to use this to keep the curved kind of shape. Alright. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for my lasagna to be done in the oven. Right sides together, I'm slipping one sleeve inside the other, and then I'm just gonna sew around the edges like this, and that way I'm gonna pull it out. Should be right. Okay, let's go do that really quick. So that part is sewn. You know, honestly, I could just freaking save my good tool and use like some extra bags or something. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Now, I'm gonna insert this wire and see if we can really get that shape to stay. Perfect, so let me head back to the sewing machine and close up these loose ends. I got my hot glue gun. Oh. First I'm gonna glue the material so that it's kind of like bunched up and folded the same way that hers is. Oh my gosh, somebody's dog is pissed. Somebody help that dog. Now let's look at this example here. Regina. Ow! Cool, so the hoofy is done. I'll give you guys a different view. So this is what we're looking like. Once I put it on, it's gonna scrunch up a little bit more, which will be perfect. And yeah, so let's move on to adding these embellishments, these rhinestones, to the actual dress. And then it'll be the moment of truth, y'all, the moment of truth. That dog is still barking. This is the hardest part, is trying to attach this thing. So I'm standing here using the mirror and the hot glue gun trying to attach it so that it looks right. So I decided I'm just gonna add garbage bags in the bottom because I don't want to use my good tool So I'm probably just going to take the garbage bags and glue them underneath the lining of this. Okay, so I added the garbage bags, guys. Oh my gosh. What? I cannot believe this. It looks so good. Now I just have to finish gluing the jewels on, and I will show you guys. This is hands down, feet down, ass down. It's gotta be my favorite project, like, ever. I did this entire dress for less than 20 bucks. Less than 20 bucks, guys. Shout out to Goodwill. Like, I can't even express how proud I am of this dress. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. It's a little bit different than what I've been doing for the past few years, but I'm really excited to switch it up and do more stuff like this. So if you have if you have any other things that you want to see me try or make, please let me know. Celebrity looks, TV looks, movie looks, whatever. This was so much fun, and I definitely want to do more of these. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. I am so proud. I'm so proud. This is so freaking cute.